How much more do I have to lose before I start winning again? How many more $100 bills? I've already lost 200,000. How much more before it stops? When does the bleeding stop? Will it stop? Well, let's look at history. Does it stop? Yeah, history tells us it'll stop if we're in the right stocks, if we're in the right place. What's the right place? The right place is the stocks that are going to change the way I live. I've already gone over that in videos. I know it's biotech. I know it's electric vehicle. I know it's 5G. I know it's 3D printing. I know it's robotics. But why doesn't everybody else know that? And why aren't they buying? And why are they selling? Why am I getting beat up so bad? Because I'm ahead of the game. We know that ARC is ahead of the game. Kathy Woods, she's getting beat up just as bad as I am. But do we believe in our plan? Do we believe that we're right? I believe I'm right. I believe. So what I want to do is I want to go back to history. I want to look at the stocks that I'm betting on and saying, if I hang in there, if I believe that biotech, that 5G, that big data, that EV is a part of the future, then I'm in the right place. Do I wish that I had sold last week, that I had timed the market? You bet I do. But that's not what I do. I'm not a timer. I'm a forward thinker. I look into the future and I create a plan as to what is going to happen. Do I like that I have to give up my money at this time? No, I don't like it at all. But let's look at it and see. This is a chart of Google. I've started here roughly July of 2018, and we saw Google drop. We've seen Google drop on regular occasions. This was the downturn from the coronavirus. Now we're seeing a bit of a drop here. Not very dramatic, but something of a drop. So I've been here before. I understand what's happening. But I'm confident that Google will continue on its track. This is Amazon. That's a substantial drop. It's a correction. Then it goes horizontal for a while, and then we see this surge. So am I confident of my holdings in Amazon? Most certainly, because I think this is the direction it's going. It has everything laid out. It is the leader in the field it chooses to operate in and will continue to be. This is Facebook. Did we see a drop in July of 2018? We most certainly did. But where is it now? It's substantially higher. It is correcting. It is coming down towards its historical trading channel. But where is it going? If I'm a long-term investor, this is a hold, because where it will be in 2023 is somewhere out here. This is Apple. Again, here we look in July, October of 2018. Did it drop? You bet. Did it drop for the pandemic? You bet. Is it dropping now? You bet. But where is it going? Where will Apple be in 2023? It's going to be off this chart, because again, it is the leader in the field. It is a company that has the revenue and has the capital to make itself continually profitable. This is, again, Microsoft. Did we see a drop in July, October of 18? Yes. Then where did it go? We see a drop in it now. Where do we think it's going to go in the future? Because it is a leader in the field it chooses to operate in. CRISPR, taking a terrible beating. But folks, this is the stock that is the Amazon of 2019, or excuse me, 1999. This is the stock that is going to change the world we live in. Is it down substantially? Has it fallen off of a cliff? Yeah, it has, but it also got kind of overactive as well. I've been here before. I feel confident of this. This is another one that I just believe is going to change the world we live in, and that is Illumina. Has too much money flowed to it? Do I wish I had sold it a week ago? Yeah, I do. But I own it, and I will continue to invest in it and continue to hold it. Even the stables such as Netflix. Look at the drop they suffered from July of 18 to December of 18. Can we survive that? Can I survive 6 months of going down? I certainly can. So, am I concerned about my holdings? No, not on a long-term basis. Is it painful to watch it? Yes, it is. But like Muhammad Ali, I will keep bouncing off the ropes. I will keep investing. And in my business portfolio, I will be making additions to these stocks. When I'm in doubt, I need to take control of my mind. I wrote a book about it. It's called, I talk about my unwanted roommate. In times like this, my unwanted roommate comes roaring at me. What the hell do you think you're doing? You don't know this. The world is pointing at you and saying, stupid. They're doing it by taking money from you. So that's what I lean on. And I want you to share with my strategy. First of all, get control of that unwanted roommate in your head. You can find this book it's in the description. It's on our website, bestofusinvestors.com, or you can just go to Amazon. It's called Who Are You? Why Are You You? By Carrie Grinkmeyer. It helps me a lot, particularly in times like this when doubt and fear take over and the unwanted roommate starts screaming at you. So that's where I'm at today. I'm not comfortable. I don't like it, but I know this is what has to happen in order for me to achieve my goals. Now, luckily, I'm in a position where I can allocate more money. You won't see it inside my portfolio because I've made an agreement with my tribe that I won't be adding money to the portfolio so you can actually measure my success. You can see the ups and downs. I do have another portfolio that I will be buying into the exact stocks that I've just covered because I know I'm right. So I hope that helps you get through the day. It's been a tough week. It may be a tough month before it's over, but it will be over. Trust me. I've been here before. I've been here in 18. I was here in 09. And I was here for the dot-com bubble in 2000. As the charts show, we know where it's ultimately going. We just got to hang on. Talk to you tomorrow.